Holy parts explorer tubes. Don't know what's going on there. I got stuff for the truck. Today I want to try and get my new keys in. My door locks because one of them's broken. Got some new window felts and some fender flares. I'm just wondering if we should install those now. It's pissing rain, so this is gonna be kind of a crappy truck vlog video. I was looking for something else in here. Oh, I think it's right here. Wiper switch. Yep. For the truck. Got some Bilsteins for the Lincoln that need to go in. Poly bushing kit hiding back there covered in dirt. And stuff for our B18 swapping the other Honda there. So anyways, I'm gonna go crawl into the truck and replace this. My wipers work intermittently, and when you use the washer function, it zaps. So time to put a new switch in it. Freaking Napa one finally gave out. So, and then one of my door locks is completely broken. All right, tubes. It's no fun trying to show you how to do all this, but it was fairly easy. This is what my Napa one looked like. The case here lets go after a while, and I think it's from using the washer. So you got to be real light with the washer on it, or else you'll pop the case out. Look, it just came apart. The rod's up in there somewhere. I'm sure it'll fall out while I'm driving. There's other bits and pieces that came out, and they end up zapping and stuff and making contact. So, anyways, what I'm going with this time is the standard automotive. This is garbage. Napa switch. Alright, I found the problem. See that dangly bit right there? Yeah. You're like, well, you know, Adam was the last one that drove this. You're like, Adam! So, our door lock is held in with this little retainer here. This guy right here is for the lock. You get in here and just chink, slide that on out. Hit a little bit of a fight, but that's what it's supposed to look like. I did have to loosen up this track just so I can get the thing back in there, because it literally sits right next to the track. I mean, it's almost touching. So now I can put my door back together. I have a brand new lock. Looks original, even has a gasket now. Not that that really matters a lot, but use what it came with. Yeah. My JBL speakers are kind of holding up. Yeah. I need to get moisture barrier and stuff for this thing. I don't know, this truck, I love her to death, but in a few years, I'm thinking actually about getting a newer shell, newer truck, and putting my 4BT and 5-speed and 4x4 stuff in, so I don't know.
Gotta do this.
Look, Adam's talking about lock shenanigans.
And I gotta lock it again, and I gotta go that side to get what I'm looking for because I put this one key in there.
Meanwhile, I have new.
Oh wait, it don't work. Damn it, and now it's gonna lock.
I've got new keys, both sides.
That was the key to it, wasn't it?
And now, guys, I'm thinking about putting my flappy doos on. I'll see if I need to. I really don't want to get into taking tires off, though. We're gonna install our fender flares right now in this video. I'm thinking I'm gonna go something like this. Start right at the corner back here, and then just run it as far as it'll go, and then cut off whatever excess I have left. I got a couple of burrs here I'm going to hammer back just so it's flush, and then I'll have my assistant help me hold the thing, and we'll just run the self-tappers that are included in the kit. Run one in and just get it hung up. We'll probably go one at a time, that way it pushes it out, and then we don't have any weird bends in the middle or whatever. Good, nothing sticking up. Be careful running your fingers along these fenders. People screw things into them once in a while. Okay, I need to go get a socket for our screws, and I'll start putting one on. Start it here. So you just need to hold it up against the thing, and I'll get a screw started.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. I'll cut the excess out. That looks cool.
Look at that, guys. So I just gotta do that 3 more times. And then we'll be done with that. Yeah, I like it.
We got this side in. I broke a screw right off in the sheet metal, but it's okay. I think it'll be fine. We could probably put another one around that area, but we're good there. So we got all the screws in. She's in. We need to put the wire rod in. This is the other part that comes in the kit, this wire rod. And be careful with this, it's a bit springy. I cut the straps and I just throw it out in the yard and let it kersploing. But in the instructions, they want you to spray a little bit of stuff on here. I'm just going to use WD-40, and then you got to put it right up in here. Spray a little bit more in there. And then fight it till death. And it's like, you gonna get in there now. I like how the other side went in no problem. This side is like, oh, there we go. And then, I don't know if you can see this, it's a little bit sticking out. I've been pulling it back up in a little bit. And then, right here, I'm just cut that off and then stick it back up in there. That way that you're not catching on it if you're working on your truck or something. So that's pretty much the install. I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna put the wheel back on. Now I got the other side and we'll be done with the truck for today.
All right, tubes. She's all installed. Cut a nice little edge on there. Little edge on there. I got some spots where I didn't quite get tight up against the body, but hard for me. I snapped 3 screws off up in this area right here, but it's staying up, especially with the wire and it keeps it nice and stiff. So yeah, so that's that. Next, I've got a window channel kit to put in, and then I need to get a rocker guard kit. James Duff has one, and it's got a flip down step. I need that, so it gets about a couple $100. I'll get it eventually, but I'm done with this thing for today. And that's it for today. See you guys later.